Hey everybody, welcome to Random Recess. My name is Abed and Chris is behind the camera. If you're new to us, welcome. If not, welcome back. This is an addendum vlog to our best corn dog at Disneyland, which we released a few weeks ago. So we'll link that in the end if you haven't seen it. So this is just a quick part 2 because we are back at Disneyland. We're here for Oogie Boogie Bash. Join us for this quick corn dog part 2.
It's more like corn dog 1.5, but hey, let's go to Blue Ribbon and check it out. You know what time it is. It's corn dog time, and it's recess time.
All right, we're currently staying at Pixar Place. We are planning on doing a resort review for that, but we had to stop by the Grand Californian on our way in and take a look at what they have at the Grand Californian. They got this scene from Coco, and it looks like, I think it's made out of cake. Is it cake? Comment down below. Craftsmanship here is just phenomenal. This is art, it's beautiful, and I bet it tastes amazing.
We did not try Blue Ribbon corn dogs in our last corn dog battle, so we had to stop at Blue Ribbon Corn Dog Cart here in downtown Disney this time to check out some of their corn dogs, because you can't have a corn dog review without Blue Ribbon corn dogs. So we got their pickle dog and we got the jalapeno popper dog, and we're gonna test them out both and let you know how they are. Okay, this is the jalapeno popper corn dog. Look at this thing, it's massive. They have to put 2 sticks into it to hold it. As you can tell, it's not a jalapeno, it's actually a poblano pepper, and so this is more of a chile relleno corn dog, if anything. It's not really a jalapeno. And I doubt it's gonna be very spicy because it's a poblano pepper, but it's piping hot. It's got 2 giant sticks in it. I don't know how you eat this, but we're gonna give it a try. You know, I think the best way is just to take the sticks out because they don't really do anything. Or I'm just gonna be a savage and pick it up with my hands. Here we go. So I think all the cheese actually goes to the bottom. So this first bite is just pepper and breading. You can see it's kind of all the way down there. Here's what we're gonna do. Just initial thoughts though. The pepper is really good. It's not spicy at all. And that breading is delicious. It's nice and crispy. It is piping hot, so be careful. But we're just gonna do this, just so y'all can see what the inside looks like. That's the inside. Look at that. You get the pepper, the breading, the cheese, the bacon. Delicious. All right, let's get a bite with this filling. Super messy, you guys. This is really messy. Make sure you get a ton of napkins. That is delicious. You get the bacon, get the cream cheese. Like I said, the pepper is just the vessel for it. It absolutely has no spice to it. And you get that really crunchy, delicious cornmeal batter. I would love for it to be a little spicier. It says jalapeno popper. You think it's gonna be a jalapeno, but it's not. So it's not spicy at all. So 1 star knocked off for that. But I'll give this 4 out of 5. This is really, really good. Hard to eat, but it's good. So make sure you get a fork and a knife, or else, you know, you're gonna be struggling with it. It's huge.
Blue Ribbon corn dog, I decided to get the pickle corn dog. Now this thing is hot dog, pickle, battered in the cornmeal batter. Just look at this thing. All right, it's got some heft. It does come with a side of peanut butter, which is strange. Comment down below. They give peanut butter with this. Do you eat pickles with peanut butter? Never heard of that, and that sounds gross, so we're not doing that. All right, y'all, if you love fried pickles, if you love corn dogs, this is the marriage of 2 amazing fried foods in one. This is a 5 out of 5. The pickle is dilly, it's sour, it cuts through the fat. So the acid, again, really helps cut through the fat and just really enhances the flavor. The crunch on this is phenomenal. You got crunchy, you got sour, you got salty from the wiener. I mean, this is a tiny wiener. Can you see inside? So, I mean, compared to the other corn dogs that we had, this is a tiny wiener. But given the fact that it's encased in a pickle, deep fried to perfection, again, this is 5 out of 5. I am not trying the peanut butter. Comment down below, does anyone dip that? That can't be good, so I'm not doing it. But yeah, I am gonna take another bite.
Who puts peanut butter on their wiener? That's really weird. If you do, let us know below. Is it good? Should we do that? I don't know, wiener and peanut butter. It doesn't sound good. All right, you know, when in Rome, we gotta try this out. So you got this peanut butter here on the side of the pickle dog. I tried Abed's pickle dog, and it is really good. I will say I agree. The wiener's a little small, but it's a small wiener. It's fine, no judging. Pickle is really, really good. Let's try it with the peanut butter. I'm just gonna dip it. Got a good amount of peanut butter on there, let's try it. All right, let me try another bite. Hold on. That's so strange, but do I like it? I don't hate it. I don't know if the peanut butter really adds anything to it. It's not overly sweet. Honestly, I thought the peanut butter was gonna be too sweet. It's not. It's just a strange flavor combination. It's not bad though. So it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. All right, what's a trip to Disneyland without a churro? So we stopped at California Churros, and I just got a normal cinnamon sugar churro, kept it OG. Of course, California Churros has a ton of different kinds. They have Fruity Pebbles, they have salted caramel, anything that you would want there. But I just got a regular cinnamon sugar because I'm a basic bitch, so here we go. Infinity stars, these are so good. They're crunchy, sugary, it's soft on the inside. They're so good. Nothing like a Disneyland churro, am I right? Great way to end off that ridiculous meal that we just had of those corn dogs. We're ready to go get some rest, and tomorrow's Oogie Boogie Bash. So stay tuned. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps us out. We've got a lot of fun videos coming up. So that's going to do it for this really quick random recess addendum to the corn dog video. We'll see you on the next recess, guys. Bye.